Hello, my name is Stephanie from Colman and Company, and today I'm showing you your tiny little needle oiler, okay? This is the precision oiler. Let's take a closer look. All right, here's an up-close look at your precision oiler. First of all, we have a little hook pin for your convenience. Be aware that this is a lot of liquid, so if you're putting it in your shirt, remember that we do carry a spot lifter spray in case you spill it, okay? Then, here, you just remove the cap. Here's the cap. I'll remove the little plastic holder here. Now with this tip, you can simply remove the little red plastic cap, like that. And this is so that you can apply 1 drop of oil at a time. As you see, I've just released 1 drop. There it is. 1 drop. Now when you're applying oil to your needles or any other small locations, this is a very nice controlled way to apply a vital oil to your machine. You can refill this by simply unscrewing this little black area and then filling it with oil again. And if it cracks due to you squeezing too hard, you really don't have to. As you see, I just barely give it a little tiny of a touch and you can see that oil is coming right out. So you don't have to be aggressive with it. This right here is by far one of our favorite machine components. To be able to use this and oil your machine precisely is very important. So if you have any questions, make sure to give us a call at Colman and Company. We will be happy to help answer any questions you have and make sure to get some of these ordered for you. Remember, that's Colman, C-O-L-M-A-N, and company.com. See you there.